clean environment is a gift that is slowly becoming more scarce and requires some serious effort. The environment is burdened with waste produced by households, companies, and others on a daily basis. Waste cannot simply be deposited without thought. Responsible waste management has become an essential part of our concern for the natural environment, every individual's quality of life, and society as a whole. The Regional Waste Management Center Rwmc Celia, built between 2006 and 2009, is a comprehensive project for modern and environmentally friendly waste management. This is a model project of integrated waste management in Slovenia. The investor of the project, Regional Waste Management Center, is the municipality of Celje. The project includes 24 municipalities in the Savinjska region, which amounts to a total of 210,000 inhabitants. How is waste produced at the Regional Waste Management Center Celje? The system of responsible waste management encourages responsible waste consumption and separation at its source. Households deposit the separately collected waste at designated bins.
Ločeno odložimo steklo, embalažo in papir.
Separate fractions are collected by special waste lorries and transported into the Regional Waste Management Center for weighing through entrance control and then into the sorting plant. Collected raw materials such as plastic, paper, cardboard, and metals are additionally sorted at a sorting plant. Waste separating bins are namely intended for depositing different types of plastic, different types and qualities of waste paper and cardboard, and various fractions of waste metals. Additionally sorted waste is baled. Secondary raw materials are put into storage, from where they are handed over to processing. Households deposit biodegradable waste into special brown bins. This waste is transported to the composting plant through entrance control and weighing. First, the interfering substances are removed from the waste in the composting plant. Then they are ground and homogenized in the mixer. From there, the composting mixture is transported to the other section of the composting plant, designed for intensive decomposition. The composting mixture is uninterruptedly supplied with air, thus ensuring optimal conditions for decomposition. The composting plant is closed. The polluted air from the hull is collected and led to purification in the biofilter. The processed composting mixture is transferred to the third section of the hull, where final decomposition and compost ripening take place. Finally, the compost is sifted with a sieve. The capacity of the composting plant is about 5,000 tons per year. Bulky waste, such as electrical and electronic equipment, is additionally dismantled in the dismantling facility for bulky waste. The facility enables a temporary storage of sorted waste and separately collected fractions. The facility's capacity is 5,000 tons per year. Households deposit the rest of their waste into special containers. This waste is not allowed to be landfilled without prior treatment. The process of mechanical and biological treatment of waste reduces the volume of the waste by approximately 2/3 of the original amount. One-third is extracted in the biological treatment process, while the second third is extracted from the remainder. What is included in the mechanical and biological treatment of the residual mixed municipal waste? The waste intake at the reception area is followed by the grinding of waste and biological and mechanical treatment of the mass. Biological treatment takes place in the biostabilization hall. At the end of a 14-day process of biooxidation, the organic substances are extracted, especially in the form of CO2, which is accompanied by the loss of moisture. This process produces a stable, dry, and sanitized product without any unpleasant odors. The entire process is conducted in an enclosed hall. In order to prevent the pollution of the environment during the process of biostabilization, the gases are released through a biofilter. Leachate is led to the wastewater treatment plant, and from there it is discharged into the sewage system. After the completion of the biostabilization process, the automatic bridge crane transfers the biostabilized material to the transporter, which carries the material from the biostabilization area to the mechanical treatment area. The mechanical treatment includes grinding, sieving, and separation. This process can separate the following materials: light fraction, metals, biostabilized fraction, and inert fraction. The heavy fraction is extracted on the sieve. The air separator then separates the combustible portion, the light fraction, which is additionally ground. The metal is then extracted with the help of magnets and a magnetic field vortex. The heavy fraction is deposited at the landfill, and the metals are collected by the recipient of secondary raw materials, while the light fraction is used as a fuel at the heating plant. The landfill for the rest of waste is located south of the existing landfill for municipal waste in Bukojlak, covering an area of approximately 10 hectares. The landfill's available area is 1,900,000 cubic meters. The new landfill is completely covered with plastic foil, which prevents the leachate from entering the groundwater. It is also equipped with a wastewater treatment plant for cleaning the leachate.